Before we study the if forms in detail, let's look carefully at the function of the different forms, because if you can distinguish between the functions, you will be unlikely to make a mistake. The zero or general conditional is used when we are talking about an automatic or a habitual result. If I say, if you heat ice, it melts, that is an automatic result. If I say, our teacher gets angry if we don't do our homework, we know that if the children don't do their homework, the teacher habitually gets angry. The first conditional is used for a situation that the speaker thinks is probable. It is a real or likely situation. So you could say, if you send me a text message, I'll try to reply as soon as possible. In the second conditional, the speaker wants to communicate that there is a possibility. If I say, if you went to Paris, you'd eat French food, it means that I believe there is a good possibility you will eat French food, unless the person is known to love Italian and Japanese food and only eats in those restaurants. In the third conditional, the speaker indicates that the condition and result cannot be fulfilled. It is impossible, as the action didn't happen. We can say, if you had gone to Paris, you'd have eaten French food. But he didn't go to Paris, so he couldn't eat French food. Let's summarize what we have said so you can memorize them easily. The zero form is for automatic or habitual results. Results is the important word to remember. In the first conditional, the result is probable. In the second conditional, the result is possible. And in the third, impossible, because the condition cannot be fulfilled as the action didn't happen. Before we leave this lecture, practice saying aloud the functions of each of the 4 forms. This will help you to memorize. I'll give you a few seconds. Right, let's check. The zero is for automatic or habitual results. The first is probable, the second is possible, and the third is impossible.